Barrett DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the Vont Pyro bike light set. Now I waited a long time to make this review because I wanted to test these things out. We liked them so much we did buy 2 sets, and they're mostly used by my son and my wife when we go biking. It comes with a white for the front and a red for the back. Charges through micro USB right there. This is a little weatherproof cover. The white one has the same thing, a weatherproof cover and a micro USB to charge. Love that, was looking for that. So they have batteries on the inside that are charged through micro USB. And these things, even though they're only 3 LEDs each, are pretty bright and useful on the road. So to turn them on, you're just gonna push the switch on the side here. That's the first setting, which is full on. Second setting is less bright, but full on. The third one is flashing, which is what we use a lot because we tend to go biking mostly during the daytime, but it gets into the evening. Once in a while we'll go straight out, and then you have a pulsing effect on the 4th hit. Same thing with the red, we just push the on button on the side. First one's full on, second one's a little dimmer but full on. Third one is flashing slowly, and the 5th one is pulsating. It comes with these rubber bands and they are easy to take off. This one's been on there a while, so that's probably why it's deeply embedded there, but they come right off, and they have 2 different sizes that they send you. We use the smaller one because that's what fits on my wife's and my son's bikes, and they basically took these off me. I was using it on my e-bike for a little bit, but then they took them from me saying we need lights. And again, we bought a second set because we liked the first set so much. But it basically goes around the tube like this, taking my fingers to the tube, and then just kind of locks in the side there. So it does hold very well. We've never had a problem with them falling off. Basically, if you want to wear it as part of a nighttime thing, you can also clip it on yourself with that clip there. They're highly versatile in the way that you can use them. And yeah, they do the job. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna show you some video of us riding with these. I got some video of Zach having them on his bike during the daytime, and then we'll also show you some video of them at night. Alright, so we have the Vont Pyro lights on my e-bike. We're going to go riding a little bit tonight. And that's the rear one. Here's the front one, and that's in constant on. We'll show it to you in 3 different modes as we bike down this really dark road. This is the dimmer setting. Slow flash setting. Quicker flash setting. Overall, the lights are really bright. Honestly, for the size that they are, they throw off a lot. You do get to see a little bit of the road ahead of you with the white light, so that actually works out. I would recommend getting another light though to really light up the road, although you could probably get away with this one. The rear light is very bright as well. Obviously red doesn't throw out as much light as a white light, but it does the job. This one, I'd say you could just have this on your bike alone. Myself, I like having a lot more than just one light at night. That's just me, but this one will definitely do the job. You won't need any other light. This will get you through whatever you need to get through. Pros and cons about the Vont Pyro bike light set. The pros are, they are very bright for their size. They're very portable. They don't take up a lot of space on the bike. It's all you really need for night other than just reflectors on your pedals. And they're very affordable for what they do. They are weatherproof. I wouldn't say totally waterproof because this is still exposed, but they do cover and have lasted through rain and everything. So I think they're very, very durable for what they are. Cons about the Vont Pyro bike light set. I just wish they lasted a little bit longer on a charge. Typically, we do about an hour on average of bike riding when we go out as a family, and these last about maybe two to three rides. It depends, because sometimes the rides are a little bit longer than an hour, and then I have to charge them again. So probably about 3 hours. I know the red probably survives longer than the white, because this is typically needing to less charge, but I charge them together anyways just to make sure they're full. And the white's usually the one to go. The good news is that it dims when it's running out of power. It does have two lights again when you charge it to let you know if it's charging or not. Green means that it's fully charged. If it's red in the inside when it's charging, it means it's still charging. So they have indicator lights and everything for charging, but I just wish they lasted longer. Other than that, I just wish that these rubber band things, that maybe they gave you an extra set, like 2 of each size. So that way if one broke, because I know on Zach's, it kind of broke open. I had to use one of the longer ones, which was, doable, but it would be nice to have the same size to really fit it on his bike. Other than that, it's a pretty nice, good set for your bike, should you need a set. That is my review of the Vont Pyro bike light set. They're really good for what they are, good value. Again, you'll be charging them a little bit more often than what I like to charge, but they're definitely doable, and if you bring a power pack with you like I do on every bike ride, you're set, because you can just charge this thing with micro USB wherever you are. If you'd like to purchase your Vont Pyro bike light set, please look for the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Earth DIY channel. We appreciate all the support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icons. That way you'll be notified of future Earth DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.